Okay, so now we're going to do a spray buffing. Basically what spray buffing does is it's got a little bit of a detergent mixed with a little bit of a polymer in there, as a matter of fact, and it's a spray through a trigger head on the floor and basically blending in the finish. So what it does is it actually removes scuff marks, black marks, blends the finish to give you a nice uniform shine. This spray buffing has been around in the industry for years and years and years. It is it's a slower process than burnishing, but if you don't have a burnisher, it actually does it for you very easily, and it'll actually prolong the life of your floor care program, saving you labor efficiency, so it is good. What we have today is our Enviro-Solutions ES86 Plus. That's our spray buff solution. Comes in 946 mil or 1 gallon or 3.78 liter containers as well, and it's ready to use to go. So let's put my glasses on. If you look at the floor there, you can see we've got a few scuff marks there. Some people, you can't wash those out with a mop head, but you should be able to spray buff those out. So let's just simply operate the machine, okay? And you spray a little bit down, and let's just see if this actually works. Okay, so what you can see is I've gone over one nice pass. I'm still remaining hanging on with both hands on the machine. So I can just simply go back, blend it in, and you'll notice I haven't used very much of the spray buff at all. If you use too much, you'll actually get into smearing, and we don't want that. But what you can see is I can just go back and forth, building a very nice gleam, very inexpensively, and you can see I've gotten rid of all of those scuff marks and black marks, blended it in. No need to deep scrub, no need to deep strip. Labor efficiencies, cost savings, maintaining that foundation, which will help lower the risk of an outbreak with any COVID-19 bacteria or viruses from embedding in the pores. Easy step. Let us help you with that anytime. We're available for you. Thank you.